Hello. Welcome to our Executive School's introduction of SAP software and how it can impact your career outlook. SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products, are a data processing suite used for management for businesses. SAP works using one common database so that when information that is entered in the system by one part of an organization is immediately available to all other parts of the organization. SAP is increasingly becoming an essential tool for businesses, that it now holds 63% of marketing share in corporative software. Meaning, in the US alone, it has seen an increase of 25% of cloud adoption in companies. The SAP system contains several modules. These combine and interact to handle the business management tasks of an organization. The modules are grouped in three main categories: logistics, accounting, and human resources. The importance of certifying in SAP comes from being well established with the Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 companies. The majority of them use SAP as their core ERP. They hold the key to SAP's growth and ultimately to increased job market. SAP already has more than 65,000 small and mid-sized customers. As you can see, the demand for employees certified in SAP will continue to grow along with business demands. Find out what technology in SAP complements what you already know. Sometimes lateral moves are good, and sometimes moving into a totally different vertical makes much more sense. It depends on the expectation and whether the job can beat your expectation or not. For example, an SAP SD consultant with a certain billing rate might not expect the same in this market as he was expecting a year ago. A relatively lateral move could be learning an IS, or industry solution. SAP's market projections and the financial market turnaround are major signals that the market is improving. There aren't a lot of consultants out there who can articulate and implement a combination of new technologies to solve existing problems in completely new ways. Upgrades. Many customers have not made use of a cool new functionality offered by enhancement packs. This should be good not just for technical experts, but also for functional experts, whose knowledge is needed to pick what functionality needs to be switched on. SAP is definitely doing the right thing in sales and marketing already in 2013, and customers should be able to start seeing work in this area in 2014. HR technology buying trends and the market is greater than ever. As companies start a new search for talent, this $14+ billion market continues to show tremendous growth. The average HRMS system in large companies today is more than 5 years old, and more than half are over 7 years old. And enterprise software becomes nearly obsolete in 7 years, leading most companies to shop around. Our best estimates show that more than 450 million people around the world could license and use corporate HR software, yet only 55 to 60 million seats have been sold. This market is still young, with great perspectives. The following slides will show you some data on the salary trends, wage by SAP-related positions, and markets where SAP-related jobs continue to increase its demands. The United States continues to hold the highest salaries on offer for SAP-certified employees. The market trends growth show that SAP profiles are witnessing an increase in salary due to its demand. With the expansion of the market and the development of the economy and technology in the USA, more and more companies are using SAP as their ERP system. Hence, the number of SAP jobs in the US is rapidly growing. The graph on screen shows the cities in the US with the most SAP job offers: Houston, New York, Chicago, Atlanta, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Philadelphia, and Central Florida, to name a few. In summary, the findings from this year's survey show some exciting positives for the SAP market. The median salary of SAP professionals working for companies based in North America is over 25% higher than the median salaries of those working for companies based in Europe, and over 35% higher than those working for companies based throughout the rest of the world. Also, there's a strong correlation between higher education and higher earning for SAP professionals. A master's degree can translate into 18% increase in comparison with the median salary of those with a high school diploma. If you have a doctoral degree, the increase can be as high as 53% more than those with no college degree. In the 14 years I have spent on the field of SAP, I learned that such technical competency does open several new doors in your career. By being certified in any of the modules of SAP, a person's potential to top management increases tremendously. I believe it is also important to talk about job security. Due to its increased demand and the fact that the SAP field is still growing, we have the ability to implement and manage SAP modules. In the eyes of a company, it is easier to replace entry level and mid level employees who do not have technical training. I believe that SAP educated workers are highly sought after and are valued higher to companies than any other employees that share level of expertise but who lack SAP training.